If your door shifts out of alignment seasonally, you can fix it with targeted hinge and frame adjustments and humidity management to stop the cycle. Start by inspecting the hinge screws for looseness and tighten them with a long bit to reach the deepest screw holes. If the screw spins in place, remove it and replace it with a longer wood screw that bites into the framing behind the jamb. Use thin cardboard or plastic shims behind the hinge leaf to move the door leaf inward or outward by small increments until the latch and strike align. Place the shims between the hinge leaf and the jamb, tighten the screws, then trim any excess shim material. If the door jams on the top or bottom repeatedly after trying hinge adjustments, remove the door and plane or sand only the high spots by marking areas with pencil, then remove small amounts at a time and test for fit. Never take large sections off at once. For doors that drift seasonally because of humidity, control indoor moisture by running a dehumidifier or using ventilation during humid months and a humidifier during very dry months to reduce wood movement. Add or replace weather stripping and adjust the strike plate height by loosening its screws and shifting it slightly to accept the latch cleanly. This reduces racking and wear on hinges. Finally, schedule an annual check where you retighten all hinge screws, inspect for gap changes, and verify that the door swings freely without binding. Common mistakes include overplaning the edge to fix seasonal stick, which can create permanent gaps and poor sealing. Instead, remove only the smallest amount needed and test repeatedly. People also rely solely on sanding for a problem caused by loose screws or shifted jambs, so always check and replace or augment short screws before removing wood. A third frequent issue is ignoring humidity control and then wondering why the problem returns. Address moisture with ventilation, dehumidifiers, or humidifiers, and combine that with hardware adjustments so the door stays aligned through the seasons. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a community where we discuss fixes like seasonal door alignment and exchange practical tips. We make it easier for contractors to find work and for homeowners to learn real-world approaches through our discussion community.